Hello YouTube. I got a pick I made today. It's actually a double-sided pick. One side is for one type of key and the other side is for another type of keyway. Show it to you here. I can get my camera to focus so you can see it better. This pick I made because I took and researched a lot of different keys for this style of lock. They're commonly used on garage doors, like the big garage door that opens, and sometimes they use them on regular doors too. But these are quite common where I come from, that people use on their garage door. So I went out and got a bunch of different keys for different ones and looked at the pinning on them, and it seems like all of them have quite a bit of similarities in bitting on them. So I took the similarities and I made on each side of this different cuts with them similarities in the key. Trying to engineer something I might be able to use as a jiggler pick to quickly pick these things open. I mean, these ain't that hard of locks to open as it is, but I figured if I could make something to make it quicker and easier, that would be very nice to have. So I got this lock here that I didn't have the keys for, and I'll show you here. It does work. I'll put it in. I'll pick one side first, give it a little jiggle, see if it picks the lock at all. Sure enough, first side it picked, as you can see. Try to do it again for you on camera here. Stupid tension runs sliding out on me. Get back in there. And I just put it in, give it a little jiggle, and there it goes. Well, I'm no engineer. I have made quite a few homemade picks in my time, but I would say that works pretty good. Almost as quick as the key. And that's pretty good for somebody who made it herself in their garage with a windshield wiper insert. Well, thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe and please check out my other videos. Thanks a lot and have a great day.